Are you torn between Cozyla and Skylight Calendar? Let's break it down. In this video, we'll compare these two popular scheduling tools. Both help you manage your time and keep track of events, but they do it in different ways. Cozyla is designed for personal use. It focuses on helping individuals organize their lives. You can easily add events, set reminders, and even share your calendar with family or friends. It's user friendly and perfect for daily planning. On the other hand, Skylight Calendar is more team oriented. It's built for groups and businesses. It allows team members to collaborate on events and projects. You can see everyone's availability, making scheduling meetings a breeze. Now, let's look at the main differences. Cozyla is great for personal tasks, while Skylight is better for teamwork. If you are managing your own schedule, Cozyla is a solid choice. If you work with a group, Skylight is ideal. When it comes to features, Cozyla offers simple event creation and reminders. Skylight provides tools for collaboration like shared calendars and group chats. Cozyla shines in personal organization, while Skylight excels in team communication. In terms of pricing, Cozyla typically has a lower cost for individual users. Skylight may have a higher price point, especially for teams. However, both offer free trials, so you can try them out before committing. So, which one should you choose? If you need a personal organizer, go with Cozyla. But if you work with a team and need collaboration tools, Skylight Calendar is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.